Yeah, when we get to the end, if I got any camera life left, I'm gonna come back on the path and go to that first walk thing, because it had a wooden path. I ain't going on none of the other ones.
They hide so well, don't they?
Some of them are pretty smart.
You don't see them till you're right on them. Here comes a car. Why is there a car on?
Oh, he's gonna be a ranger. Yeah, you want to let him go by? Because I was going to let him go by, like it said. Shark Valley Tram Tour. That was the tram guy. It didn't say you had to stop for the truck, but he gave us the thumbs up. Oh, there's 5. Okay, we're a third of the way there in 25 minutes, so yeah, while stopping for the tram, take a good look around you, because these gators seem to like it about 3 foot off the path. Ooh, there's another one. About 3 foot off the path.
They're either getting ready to cross over into here.
Yeah, I'm surprised we ain't seen one on the path yet.
I don't want to. I don't mind turtles.
Ooh, there's one swimming. Had a small one swimming there. Yep. Drying his wing.
Buddy.
I think if I was a bird, I'd stay in a taller tree. I really do. I think I would.
Well, you don't know because you ain't a bird, but it would be a wise idea. If you wanted to live out the bird life.
Now see, if I was a panther, I'd live in this thing right here.
What?
This island right here.
Oh, Mark? Look
Yeah.
at the little dragonfly. There was a fishy.
Alligator gar. Or rather, Florida gar is their correct name.
Look at the baby.
Yeah, it had a baby sitting on the rock.
He's sitting on that.
Concrete culvert.
Right.
Okay, I can see this video is going to be Mostly boring, but not all.
Bird.
Oh yeah,
My little kids likes that.
that's an egret. Hi, Mr. Egret. Don't land on the path, because we're coming up that way.
We got bad eyesight.
Well, you just circle around behind us and don't land by a gator.
Thank you. Sorry.
Wow, bunch
See
of
a
gars
fish?
there.
Yeah, a lot of them.
Yeah, one thing's for sure, you wouldn't go hungry if you had
There's one hiding in the,
a fishing pole.
did you see him in the trees?
You could eat lots of gar.
Huh?
You could eat lots of gar if you were stranded out here. They should do a Naked and Afraid in the Florida Everglades. Probably did.
I thought they did already.
I want to see them get dropped right in the middle of this.
Yeah, well, I think naked people are sleeping.
Oh, there's a gator moving fast. He was cruising.
Why would you be naked anyway? There's another bunch of guards. I mean, why don't they just drop them off with clothes on?
Hey,
What?
there's a bridge up here.
Hi, Birdie.
I hope we get to go up on it. What do you think? I'm thinking probably not. That's a nice little pond. I'd go for a swim in that one.
Yeah, go ahead, I'll wait.
The only bad thing, there's lots of gar in it. Might be a gator or two lurking. Why is there a bridge in the middle of nowhere?
I don't know, we'll have to see when we get there. See. I wonder how many people make it the whole way.
I don't know. How would you like to try it? I'd want to get an early start if I was on one of them single speed cruisers. And I'd want a gallon of water. Well, we seen that hiking path. It looks like it'd be good for a mountain bike. Was 15 miles by the visitor center. I'd like to try it with one of them fat tire electric bikes. I wouldn't take mine in there. Screw that.
Them things are noisy.
Well, these got good road tires, but they ain't that great for off-roading.
This is as far off-road. Oh, look at that pretty bird.
What was it? What was it? All right, I gotta go see him because he's a new one. Where was he?
He's in the tree on this side.
In the tree. That's a cormorant. That's just one with the gold neck. There he is. That one's got one's wet and one ain't. The black one's neck was wet and the brown one's neck wasn't wet. I don't know. Okay, this bridge is interesting. It's got to be a dam of some sort.
Maybe he was the male. Look at them pretty flowers.
There's surely gonna be a sign telling us what this is. I'm guaranteeing you we ain't gonna go up there. the heck? It's like a mystery. Oh, there's somebody in a green shirt up there. Oh, now there's a cool bird. Hun, check this bird out. He is cool. Check this bird out. I know I seen the gator, but check this bird. Here he is. He's walking on the lily pads. Check him out. Look, he's walking on the lily pads. See him?
Mm-hmm. You better not go that way.
He's shy. He's hiding. I know. He better. Don't go behind you. No, we ain't harassing him. We're looking at him. He's hiding behind the leaf. Well, I got a movie of him. There he is. Walks on lily pads. Now that's kind of cool. All right. Okay, buddy, don't go this way.
Yeah, because that dude's waiting.
Right, he's only right here.
He's right there.
Yeah, and he's moving too. I think he's looking for something to eat. There's another one moving right here.
No, they're all over the place, and I don't want to be by them.
When they're moving? Do you prefer them sleeping?
I prefer them on TV.